To begin a visual inspection of the awning, you're going to want to start by making sure that the head assemblies are attached to the end caps. And you do this by taking a look at this wax screw that goes through the end cap and attaches to the drive shaft of the head assembly. Now what you're going to be looking for is that 1/8 of an inch between the head of the screw and the end cap. This avoids compromising the integrity of the screw. Next, let's make sure that the awning fabric is secured inside the awning rail. Now what you're looking for here is to make sure that the polycord and the awning fabric is inside this awning rail. And you're going to take it a step further and make sure that these number 6 1/2-inch hex screws on both sides of the awning are fastened through the awning rail and the polycord. And it is 1 inch from the edge of the awning. What this does is it secures the awning from moving left and right when you're extending and retracting, because if that happens, it'll bunch up on one of the ends. Then you're going to check for proper installation of the mount arms. So how you do that is you take a look at the top here on both sides and make sure you have 2 fasteners up here. You have 2 fasteners down here in the middle and 2 fasteners down here at the bottom, for a total of at least 6 fasteners in each mount arm. Now, the fasteners can be different depending upon the skin of the unit. Press and hold the extend button past the full extension. It'll actually then reverse and roll up backwards, and I'll show you that right here. So it'll actually roll that back up. And you can use this to clean your awning and some other things, but extend it back out and you'll watch the awning will actually then reverse and then roll back up the way it's supposed to. In the event that you lose electric power on your power awning, you're going to want to utilize the manual override feature. Now the first thing you're going to do is you're going to locate that drive head assembly, and on the drive head assembly you'll see a rubber grommet on there. So let me take that off, put that away, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take a 7/16 socket and place that on the 7/16 inch bolt in there and run it counterclockwise. That'll retract the awning. So if you need parts for the support arm or hardware for the support arm, you're going to provide us this item number on the awning label located on the mount arm. Now specifically, you can replace the strut or the pitch arm. Everything else, if it's damaged, you'll have to replace the whole support arm. Now over here on the awning roll tube, there will be a awning label on there, and we're going to need that variant code when you guys call in. So bringing that variant code, that gives us the information specific to that awning, like awning size, fabric size, that type of thing. But if for whatever reason that awning label is gone and you can't find it, what you're going to do is you're going to measure from the center line of your left support arm all the way to the center line of your right support arm, and that information is going to give us the information